Hi guys, my name is Lainey and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be making some super healthy protein red velvet cupcakes. I have taken a regular red velvet cupcake recipe and I have made it super healthy with the added bonus of protein. They are so super tasty and you cannot tell that they are not a regular cupcake. Here's what you're going to need. Some mixing bowls, some spatulas. I'm using a silicone muffin tray. For the cupcake mix you will need some chocolate protein powder, some coconut flour, some cocoa. For that healthy kick and to add some redness to the mixture, I have some beetroot powder. I picked this up from Amazon. For your raising agents you need bicarbonate of soda and baking powder. I'm also going to add in some natural red colouring just to make them super red. And for the wet ingredients we have some tinned pumpkin, some egg whites and some fat-free Greek yogurt. For the all-important cream cheese frosting with that extra protein bonus, some vanilla casein, some sugar-free icing sugar. I get mine from Sucrin, and some of the lightest Philadelphia. I have my oven preheating to 190 degrees Celsius. All the ingredients and their amounts will be listed below in the description box. Let's get started. Here we have our delicious, healthy, protein red velvet cupcake. Perfect for any afternoon tea. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give it the thumbs up. If you have any questions at all about the recipe, make sure to hit me up in the comment box below. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my super healthy and tasty recipes.
My milkshake brings all the boys to the yard and they're like, it's better than yours, damn right. It's better than yours, I could teach you, but I have